I come alive out of the fire.
19.
Take the chance.
One more. Last. Come on.
I come alive.
Everyone ready? Okay, go.
Better weather is on my side. Darker days are left to cry. Patience will get there soon.
It feels great. We can keep going. Even if we are tired, it's just the views and the air just constantly push us. And like even though you know you're physically tired, you just mentally can keep going and keep going and keep pushing. That's what is different.
I'm still thinking of
We covered 21 kilometers of our 10 minutes. So basic average speed. I think the easy part is over.
First time for me. I've never done anything like this. It's the first trek ever in my life.
Let's get cracking. Yes, everybody's ready. Let's go cracking, guys.
Think about what you surround. Express your words unsaid. I'll keep fighting. There is no guarantee.
Sophie and I are definitely not from fitness backgrounds. I think it's really important because what we've seen from this is how like anyone can do this.
Well done. Excellent.
You want to go? Yeah. Hey! We get to go. Yeah. Come on, go. Yeah, together. I say not together. Come on, Aisha.
1, 2, go! 1, 2, go!
It was fun getting to know new people and then trying to, work together as a team. So it wasn't really a problem bonding with each other, even though we met each other for the first time.
Go. Keep paddle. Okay, leave your paddle and go touch the boat. Bye.
Come on, Mamta. Come on.
Ready, everybody?
Yeah.